Die Flugzeit beträgt heute Nachmittag, wie bereits erwähnt, 1 Stunde und 35 Minuten. Meine Damen und Herren, wir wünschen Ihnen einen angenehmen Aufenthalt bei uns an Bord und einen guten Flug. We have to inform you that wearing a protective mask covering nose and mouth is mandatory during your entire stay on board. This mask obligation also applies to vaccinated travelers. Please note, however, that you must remove your protective mask if the yellow oxygen masks are released in flights. Thank you. Wir bitten um Ihre Aufmerksamkeit. Wir machen Sie darauf aufmerksam, dass das Tragen einer Schutzmaske die Mund und Nase bedeckt, während Ihres gesamten Aufenthalts an Bord Pflicht ist. Diese Maskenpflicht besteht auch für geimpfte Reisende. Bitte beachten Sie auch, dass Sie Ihre Schutzmaske abnehmen müssen, falls während des Fluges die gelben Sauerstoffmasken ausgeworfen werden sollten. Danke.
May we have your attention, please, for the following presentation about safety on board. Your hand luggage must be placed in the overhead bins or under the seat in front of you. It is forbidden to place hand luggage in front of the bulkhead seats or the emergency exits. Smaller items such as tablets and mobile phones must be safely secured in the passenger's hand or stowed away. Larger items such as laptops must be stowed away safely during taxiing, takeoff and landing. Please inform the cabin crew immediately if your electronic device gets damaged or produces heat or smoke. If you should lose your electronic device in your seat, do not move the seat and inform the cabin crew immediately. For further regulations concerning the use of electronic devices on board, we ask you to consult the in-flight magazine in your seat pocket. Please fasten your seatbelt now, as we are taking off. Because turbulence can occur unexpectedly, you are obliged to have your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. Whenever the fasten seatbelt sign is on, the use of the lavatories is not permitted. For takeoff and landing, make sure that the back of your seat is in a fully upright position, that your tables are folded away, and the window blinds are open. Secure infants with the infant's belt, which will be distributed by your flight attendant if needed. Please note that smoking is not permitted on board this aircraft. This includes all kinds of smoking devices as well as alternative and smoking simulating products. All lavatories are equipped with smoke detectors. If cabin pressure is lost, oxygen masks will be released automatically. Pull the mask towards your face and cover your nose and mouth. Then help children and other passengers. In case of impact on land or water, position yourself as shown on the screen. You may use either position. In case of an evacuation, follow the illuminated escape path markings and leave all your hand luggage behind. The emergency exits are identified by exit signs and are located as shown on the screen and the safety on board card. If you are sitting in a row with an emergency exit, you must be able to open this exit if instructed to do so by the crew. If you are not able or willing to perform this task, please ask a crew member to reseat you somewhere else. Your life jacket is located under your seat. Pull the life jacket over your head and attach the strap. Do not inflate your life jacket until you leave the aircraft. Pull the strap until the life jacket is properly adjusted. If the life jacket does not inflate or needs more air, blow through the rubber tube. The safety on board card shows the various procedures and the use and location of the safety equipment. Please study the card carefully prior to takeoff. Orders given by the crew and regulations have to be followed at all times. Thank you for your attention.
Personal. Anweisungen der Besatzung und Vorschriften müssen jederzeit befolgt werden. Wir danken für Ihre Aufmerksamkeit.
Pour de plus amples informations, veuillez vous adresser à votre personnel de cabine. Les consignes de l'équipage et les directives doivent être respectées en tout temps. Nous vous remercions de votre attention.
Per ulteriori informazioni, la preghiamo di contattare il personale di cabina. Gli ordini impartiti dal personale di bordo e il regolamento devono essere seguiti sempre. La ringraziamo per la sua attenzione.
Cabin crew, prepare for departure. Good.
seatbelt fasten whenever you are seated or the fasten seatbelt sign is on. Please open the baggage racks carefully as objects could fall out. Swiss supports their worldwide efforts to stop the spread of the coronavirus whenever possible. You can remove your protective mask briefly for eating and drinking or for taking medication. However, we ask you to avoid longer periods without mask covering, even during meals, and to wear your protective mask whenever you are talking to the cabin crew. At the same time, we recommend you that to keep the individual air outlets above your seat closed during the whole flight whenever possible. Liebe Gäste, aus Sicherheitsgründen sind Sie verpflichtet, sich anzuschnallen, wenn immer Sie Ihren Sitzplatz eingenommen haben oder das entsprechende Leuchtzeichen eingeschaltet ist. Bitte öffnen Sie die Gepäcklager vorsichtig, da Gegenstände herausfallen könnten. Swiss unterstützt die weltweiten Bemühungen, die Verbreitung des Coronavirus wo immer möglich zu unterbinden. Zum Essen und Trinken oder zur Einnahme von Medikamenten können Sie Ihre Schutzmaske jeweils kurz absetzen. Wir bitten Sie aber, auch während des Essens längere Pausen ohne Maskenbedeckung zu vermeiden und Ihre Schutzmaske auch immer dann zu tragen, wenn Sie mit der Kabinenbesatzung sprechen. Gleichzeitig empfehlen wir Ihnen, die individuellen Luftdüsen über Ihren Sitz während des ganzen Fluges, wenn möglich, geschlossen zu halten.
Cabin crew released.